Hey guys, today we got a unique one here. It's a Leer 100R. Fits the 07 to 10 Ford Explorer Sport Trac. It's kind of a silver pewter color and it's in decent shape. It does have some paint issues on it. A couple scratches right there. Top and top edge look good through here. There's a paint chip right there. Another one out there. There's one out there. There's one there. Got a couple of them along this edge here. See them there? It's got a couple on the bottom edge. Now this has been, previous owner had it taken off and set on the ground, and you can see what that does to the edge of fiberglass when you set them straight on the ground. Bottom edge has some chips all the way through that. Sliding window in the front. Does have some more paint chips on the edge there. Pretty much the whole front edge for some reason is kind of chipped up. I was hit the back of the cab or what happened there. Bottom edge looks good here. So it does have a sliding window. This window slides open, allows you to access inside the cap from the cab, and the cab from the cap, and close back up, seal it up there. Bottom edge has some chips on it. It has a pretty good spot right there. A little bit of an impact, but really, that's probably the worst of it. Paint chip there. Top of the top edge through here is pretty decent. A couple chips right in there. And then you've got a couple more right there. Down through here it looks good. On this side, same thing. It's got chips along the bottom edge. Probably from the same reason. It was just taken off and set on the ground. Couple chips there in the paint. Chip there on the corner. Half side sliders on the side, both sides. Double T handle locking rear door on the back. A couple small chips in the paint back through here. So have a couple chips right there. Looks like a minor scratch there on the top. Couple chips there in the paint. I think this came off of a 2009 Ford Explorer Sport Trac. Inside is just bare fiberglass. Screens are in good shape. Does have a small hole right there. The side screens look good. A little tiny nick in the screen right there, but that's about it. Don't get these in very often. People call for them all the time, but very rarely you get these in here. So there it is. It's a cab high Leer 100R. It's a 2007 to 2010 Ford Explorer Sport Trac. Silver pewter color. Below is a link to this unit on our website. So you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is. Purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, those can all be purchased from us online as well. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, you're waiting for something to come in, maybe something like this, you're waiting for something to come in, we upload to YouTube and our website as soon as we get inventory in. So if you subscribe below, you'll be able to stay up to date on what's coming in. Also, with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.